What's up guys, today we're going to make the skyline look just a little bit more like an actual skyline and not a prelude. So if you look at the car, you can see there's something missing. Part of the iconic R32 front end is the grille. If you don't have the grille, it doesn't look like an R32. We do need to get rid of this GTST bumper, but I'm going to rock it for a little bit longer. So a little disclaimer, do not buy this grille. I'm not going to leave any links to it. It's the Duraflex one. Don't buy it. It is garbage. That being said, we did make it work. I didn't film a whole lot of the whole process because I was afraid that it wasn't going to work and we were just wasting our time, but we did actually get it to work, so this is some of the footage from that. So the day has come, the Skyline is finally getting a GTR grille. We're going to have to mess with this latch because it's landing right where the grille is, so we have to like bend it up and then bend it back. We'll get to that in a second. So here's the grille. Half of the grille, because it's actually two pieces, even though it said one piece on it. And there's no information about this grille. I will not be leaving any links in the description because I do not suggest that you go out and purchase this. It did not, damn it, it didn't come with any way to mount it, so I have these bolts just JB welded to it down here. This is for the bottom half. And then on the top half, we use some Bondo fiberglass resin and a little sheet of fiberglass to sort of build up areas around the bolts. It's drying now, we're gonna sand it down, and then we're gonna vinyl wrap this, which should be pretty easy because it's not very complex, it's pretty flat. So this is how much I had to bend the latch. It was bent right here originally, so you just had to bend it straight and then go up, looks like another 1.5 inches, and then bend it forward again. And we can test it and make sure we can still open the hood. So that's good to go. This is perfect. We don't have to mess with it anymore. So just doing some sanding work, getting all the imperfections out. You can see we had to fill a lot of little holes everywhere, but we're gonna make this work and hopefully it ends up looking decent once we do wrap it. But we're done with the latch. I'm very happy with that. So once we get these ready to go, we'll wrap them and then throw them on. So this is the final product. The wrap job is decent on the top. It looks awful underneath, but no one's gonna see the underneath. I'm very inexperienced with the wrap. I know just the bare minimum to get parts wrapped. I know there's special ways to do it when you're putting it on fiberglass. You have to sand it down really nicely because it doesn't like to stick. It seems like it's holding up pretty good. Like I said, it looks awful, but you're never gonna see this. But both sides are all done. Everything's good to go. This is how we're holding the screws in. I had a JB weld to hold the bottom two in, and then there was a gap between here and here, so we filled that in with some fiberglass resin. That's the same stuff that's here, different color, the mixture was different. We put a little sheet of fiberglass here to add a little bit of strength, so it just boxes this section in. It has these three things here which are like supports, but it's interesting because they don't even touch the bottom piece. They're just floating. But now we're gonna throw it on for good, and hopefully it stays on and we'll never have to deal with it until we rewrap the car a different color. So this is the fitment. They're pretty nice. They're pretty even. The only thing that sucks is because I don't have a GTR bumper, I don't have the part down here to match where it's smooth and then it comes up here to meet with this corner the way that these do. So that's unfortunate. What I was thinking about doing, if I keep this bumper for a while, is to just shave this. So just put a bunch of body filler and then sand it down smooth, just so it's a nice smooth transition. But this is a huge improvement from where it was. So that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.